Video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin technicals. We're going to look at Ethereum, and for the first time in a while we're going to open a trade on Bitcoin. We're going to use a brand new demo trading account. And yesterday's video I was talking about leverage, and you guys replied well that you want to learn how to use leverage, and so I decided we could practice together when we do our analysis. We're going to also open trades, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do risk management. But of course, nothing in this video is financial advice, just my opinion only. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So without further ado, let's jump into the Bitcoin charts. Okay, so now let's share screen okay, all right, there we go. So this is the Ethereum chart on the weekly time frame. As you can see, we have been pumping very recently, and we broke down from this symmetrical triangle, but it looks like we could retest back and potentially continue lower. So I'm just going to readjust this. Okay, there we go. Now it's perfect. So this is the perfect. Maybe I can bring it a bit more closer. The top resistance. What I can do is I can just take it down a little bit, make sure we do not break any candle bodies and stick to wicks. So if we just, there we go. Okay, so that's accurate enough. So as you can see, we broke down from this symmetrical triangle on the weekly chart. We could have formed a cup and handle pattern, but it got invalidated by this shooting star, well, almost doji candle, shooting star candle. And then we went very below on, the recent news with FTX. And now it looks like we can rebound. And if we check the daily chart, we can see what's going on in the closer time frame. So, okay, this looks interesting. So if I'm going to jump another time frame lower, and on Ethereum, it looks like that we can see two things. The first thing is that we can see hold on, we can see a clear ascending triangle, which is very bullish because ascending triangles break to the upside. And we're literally testing this resistance right now. So I might go ahead and open a demo trade. So I'm going to be using BitGet to open demo trading. I think BitGet's demo trading feature is the best. You can sign up for free and just create just make a demo trading account. I believe we had $3,000, but I did test it out before. But what we're going to do is this challenge we're going to do with $1,000 and see how much money we can make on this demo account within 1 month. So I might actually open a long on Ethereum because it looks like we're about to break out. And the target for this breakout would be approximately, if we say we break out right now, then we can reach this prior resistance of $1,520. So let's check the hold on. I wasn't sharing the technical chart. Okay, so basically, if we break out right now, we could reach the next resistance of $1,521. So that is a pretty significant resistance, as you can see. Boom, boom. So I will put the take profits there. If we look at the funding rates, we have negative funding rates for Ethereum as well, meaning long positions will be adhered for. So if we switch to BitGet, I'm actually going to open a position on Ethereum. So it says SETH to USDT, which it symbolizes that it's a demo trading. It's a demo account, so it's a demo trade, and it won't create any effect on the market. So what we're going to do is we are going to do a trigger long, meaning we long at a particular price. Actually, I might just long now. If I jump to the 1 hourly chart as well, it looks like, you know what, I'm going to long right now. We're going to long right now without any market at USDT. We're going to make it one. We're going to do two. Okay, so basically we have $1,000, right? And the best risk managing technique is to only risk 10% of your portfolio in one industry, right? In one trade, and have a max stop loss of 20% on that trade. So ultimately, you will only lose. You will only lose. You'll only lose 2% of your entire portfolio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a trade of only 10%. So we're going to open a trade with $100 for Ethereum. And what we're going to do is we're going to have a stop loss that is at only 2%. So $100, okay, take profit will be, so if we switch to the Ethereum chart, our take profit will be at $1,521. So this will be our take profit. And if we go down, our stop loss will be at the prior swing low on the 1 hourly chart. It's actually here, but I want to make it right here, just below the support. If we, have a wick down and then retest back up. So $1,208. So that will be, let's calculate the trade right now. So we'll have a long position open. We're going to open it right here. We can check the leverage right now. So wow, okay, that'll be almost 5%. So we cannot use that much leverage. Okay, and our take profit will be 20% almost. Okay, so we want to only lose 20%. So what we can do is we can use 5x leverage. That makes us only lose max 20% of the trade. So let's switch to this tab. And our take profit price will be $15,021. And our stop loss price was 1,208. And we're going to use leverage. We're not going to use 20. Okay. Oh, this is important. We're going to use isolated, because if our trade goes in the wrong, when we use isolated, only the capital we risked can be lost. If we use cross, all of the capital in your entire portfolio can be lost. So I'm just going to be quick here. So we're going to use a 5x leverage, 5x leverage, confirm, and we're going to buy long. Confirm, and boom. Okay, so, oh no, all right, that's not good. That's fine. We don't need to worry. So this is the long that we just opened right now. So it's a 5x long, okay, on Ethereum. And our open price is at exactly $1,275. And our margin is 89 USD. I want to edit this. I don't know why that is happening. So I want to add $10 to this, confirm. So there we go. Now it became $99. Okay, that's perfect. So our liquidation price is at $997. Our take profit price is at, hold on, we're gonna add a take profit, understand. We're gonna take all of our profits at, um, oh, okay, I see what it is right now. Okay, in batches. No, we don't want to enter take profit in batches. Okay, it's fine. We're going to leave it at this right now because I do believe it created orders. It had orders right now. So we have a take profit. Yeah, okay, so we're good. So this is our position right now. And yeah, it's good. Right now we're 80 cents down, but that's okay because we wait. Again, if we lose, we have risk managed so nicely that we won't be losing that much even if it goes wrong. And again, not every trade is going to win. So we're just going to be looking at this in the macro. And maybe I might just open a trade on Bitcoin USDT as well. So let's have a look at Bitcoin USD and see what Bitcoin is doing. Wow, Bitcoin broke out on the, hold on, if we switch to the 4 hourly, I'll be able to see, okay, Bitcoin broke out. That's amazing. I should have technically opened a trade here, and it looks like we had a mini bull flag, and we're heading upwards. I should have opened a long. So it looks like it's a bit too late for me to long for Bitcoin. I wish I did this video in the morning, and then I could have been able to long this. It would have been perfect. But now it looks like we're heading up to this resistance for Bitcoin. And I'm not going to FOMO into this trade. I'm not going to FOMO. I'm going to wait on Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks bullish. It looks like we can come up to this resistance here or a bit higher and then have a bit of a rejection, maybe a retest. But Bitcoin looks bullish. So we opened a trade on Ethereum. I'm not going to FOMO into Bitcoin. We're going to see how this plays out, right? It could do well. It may not do well. But again, we're risking a very small amount of our portfolio. So uh, that's it. That's what it looks like. So if you go ahead and look into the S&P 500, we can see how the market's doing. Okay, so it looks like the S&P might have topped, which is not nice because if the S&P tops out, then that affects entire markets, and the Bollinger Band is starting to be flat as well. Okay, so this is not a nice candle, right? Realistically, I would be waiting for next week's start if I want to have a macro trade, like a incredibly bearish trade, because look, we're making new swing lows, right? We're making new swing highs, which means that we're continuing this bearish trend. And if the next candle trades below this the current candle's price of this week's close, then we could be entering another massive dump. Like you can see here that we have dumped almost in the S&P. I'm not going to include that large wick, but around 16%. So this may happen to Bitcoin as well. So currently, I have this trade open, right? We'll see how it plays out. If it doesn't play out well, then it's fine. And then we'll see and we'll look into the macro as well. So that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. But now I want to switch to this that I found. But hold on, let's see. This is not working. I'm going to switch to it right now, but this is a crypto.com. Okay, never mind. I guess, okay, all right, I'm going to switch to this tab. So basically, this is something on June. I love June Analytics. It's a very nice place where you look at different statistics on different coins, tokens, or exchanges. So this is one on crypto.com. So here we can see outbound ERC20 tokens on the Ethereum chain. We can see the latest largest trading partner wallets by USD. We can look at ETH balances. We can look at all ERC20 tokens in crypto.com, excluding Ethereum. We can look at the net flow. We can look at a bunch of different stuff. So this is a very cool thing that I found in June, which I shared on my Twitter, which you should go ahead and follow. And the link is right there. So you should go and check out my Twitter if you want to see the link for this. What do you call it, board. So we can also look at the stablecoin inflow and outflow balance as well, and there's a bunch of other stuff. And if we have one last look at the crypto prices overall, it looks like, again, super cheap currently, everything, but we'll see. We'll see. I think we might have another leg downwards, and then it could be the ultimate buy in all cryptos. But again, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you will enjoy that trading challenge. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. As always, if you did like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. So take care and bye-bye.